Hello students, today we will discuss our exercise 3 question number 2 and 3. Now see, in this question they are saying Mrs. Batra saves rupees 48,290 rupees every month. See, every month means in 1 month. In 1 month she is saving this much amount of money. In second month again she is saving that much amount. Okay, now in this way she is saving for 2 years. Okay, so how much money will she have after 2 years? Now see, if first day your pocket money is rupees 10, okay, when you did not spend that, so second day 10 rupees more you got, that will be 20 rupees in your pocket. Third day you did not spend that money and you will get 10 more, so that means you have now 30 rupees in your pocket. That means your pocket money is increasing. But see, 10, 20, 30, in this way it is increasing. That means the pocket money for one day, that is 10 rupees, and on third day what is that? 3 into pocket money for one day, that is 10, that means 30 rupees. Now you are saying, now see, if the cost of one chocolate is 10 rupees, okay, you go to the market and purchase one chocolate, so that chocolate cost 10 rupees, and you want to buy that kind of chocolate 5 more, so how much money you have to pay? 5 into 10, that means 50 rupees. So that means if one chocolate cost 10 rupees, then 5 chocolates cost 5 into 10, that means 50 rupees. In the same way, if in every month means if in 1 month she is saving that much amount of money, so in 2 years how much money she will save? So firstly you must be know about how many months in 2 years. So as we all know, how many months in 1 year? In 1 year, see, in 1 year how many in 1 year how many months? We all know that is 12 months. Okay, now see the next. So they are asking about 2 years, so write it here, 2 years. So how you find months in 2 years? 1 year 12 months, in 2 years 12 into 2, that means the 2 into 12, that means 24 months. Okay, now see the next. In 1 month that much amount is saving, so in 24 months how much amount will she save? 24 multiply this number. Okay, so see the next how you write. Now see, 1 year 12 months are there, 2 years how many months? 2 into 12, that means 24 months. So that means they are asking what she will save in 24 months. If 1 month is this, so 24 months, that means 24 multiply this number. So Mrs. Batra saves in a month, that is given amount. Mrs. Batra saves in 24 months, so you multiply the value of 1 month into 24. Okay, so write it here like this. Now multiply this. 4 zeros are 0, 4 nines are 36, so that 6 will be here, 3 is carry. Now 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, that will be 11. Okay, so write it here, 1 here, 1 is carry. Now see, 4 8s are, that will be 32 plus 1, that is 33, so that 3 will come here. Okay, now 3 is remaining. Now see the next. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 19, so write it here 19, because no number is there, so write it here. Now see the next. Multiplication with this 4 done. Now 2 zeros are, that is 0, 2 nines are 18. Okay, now 8 will come here, 1 is carry. Now see the next. 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now 2 8s are 16, that 6 will come here, 1 is carry. Now see 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So write it here. Now you can add this. So 0 6 9 5 6 7 8. So write it here 8. 9 plus 6, that will be 15. Okay. So 1 here. 9 10 11. So write it here 11. So that much amount she will save after 24 months. Okay. So this is amount. That means that will be in rupees. So write it here rupees 1,158,960. So that means she will save after 24 months 11,58,960. Now see the next question. They are saying Mr. Mehta bought 15,346 chairs. See that much amount chairs he has bought for the auditorium. If each chair means one chair cost rupees 398. How much money did Mr. Mehta pay? So total amount, how much money? If cost of one chair is given to you and you have to find the cost of 15,346 chairs. So what you do? Cost of one chair is this. How to find the cost of that much amount of chairs? Simply multiplication. If cost of one thing is given or anything in one given, so what you do? If you have to find for more, simply multiplication you will do. Now see how you will write this. Now see, cost of one chair rupees 398 it is given. Cost of 15,346 chairs. How you will find? If one is cost of one thing is given to you, how to find for more? Simply multiplication. So multiply this number with cost of one thing. So that will give you the cost. That means the answer will be in rupees. Now multiply this. Firstly write in this manner. Written this number above and that one below. So see 8 6 are 48. Write this 8 here. Okay. Now see 4 is carry. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, that will be 36. Okay. Now see that 6 will come here. 3 is carry. Now see the next. 8 3s are 24 plus 3. 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27, that 7 will come here. 2 is carry. Now see 8 5s are 40 plus 2. That will be 42. Now 2 will come here. 4 is carry. Now see 8 1s are 8 plus 4. That will be 12. So write it here 12. Now see the next. Multiplication with 8 done. Now this 9. Okay. Firstly place that multiplication sign. 9 6 are. What is 9 6 are? 54. Write that 4 here. 5 is carry. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 41. Okay. So that will be 41. That 1 will come here for carry. Now 9 3s are 27 plus 4 31. So that 1 will come here. 3 is carry again. Now 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45 plus 3. 45, 46, 47, 48. So 48. 8 will come here. 4 is carry again. Now see 9 1s are 9 plus 4. That will be 13. So write it here 13 complete because now no number is there. See now multiplication with this 8 and 9 done. With this 3. Place 2 cross multiplication sign here. Now see 3 6 are. With this number you have to do na. 3 6 are 18. Write it here 8. 1 is carry. Now see the next. 3 4s are 12 plus 1. That means 13. That 3 will write here. 1 is carry again. Now see the next. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. That will be 10. 0 will come here. 1 is carry again. Now see 3 5s are 15 plus 1, that will be 16. 6 will come here, 1 carry again. Now 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that will be 4. Now write it here 4 and add these, then you will get the cost of 15,346 chairs. Now add this 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8 you can do, that will be 17. Okay. Now see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write it here 7, 8, 9, 10. Write it here 0, here 1. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 11. So write it here 1, 1 here. 4, 5, 6. So that is the amount of 15,346 chairs. That is 61,07,708. That is your answer. Okay. Now you can do these types of questions.